Let's talk about this week's materials. We're going to talk about cell division and genetics this time. Um, as usually, you have an overview here, tells you a little bit about the chapters we're covering and about the assignments you have right here. Um, Let me go real quick to the materials. So the materials, there's one new assignment material. Actually, there's two things that I want to point out to you. The PowerPoints as usually are here. This time I'm giving you a tour guide. The tour guide, I tend to give you the tour guide if there's a lot of chapters, but I don't want you to necessarily read all of it. So just look at this before you start reading the chapter, or as you start reading the chapter, because there's a lots of things where I'm telling you that you don't really have to worry too much about some of the stuff. For example, the details of the cell cycle. So this will actually save you some time. So the tour guide is found in there. Here is the link to the chapters in the book. And then here are a couple of videos. The thing that people usually struggle with is the Punnett square. So there's a video how to do a Punnett square, because I'm going to ask you to submit a Punnett square. Mitosis and meiosis, the way Hank sees it. I've also got the same things the way Bozeman sees it. And then here is the Super Zeros movie. This goes actually with one of the assignments. Um, Watch out of these whatever you need to watch. What you need in order to understand the material. This is the only one. The Super Zeros movie is the only one that you have to watch in order to do the assignments. The assignments, there's a quiz as usually. One of the assignments I'm giving you this time is a blood type mystery. And yes, police officers, I'm hoping that you appreciate um, mysteries. The blood type mystery is in here under assignment materials. And when you click on it, you see it's going to take a little bit. You see an agglutination test that was from the blood that's on the blood on the site at the crime scene. Just by means of explanation of this, this is the slide, the test slide. And this just shows you what a negative control and a positive control looks like. So if your spot looks like this, then that's negative. And if your spot looks like this, clumping, that's positive. So you need to compare these dots to the negative and the positive and make a decision what blood type you've got there. And then you have a bunch of questions um, based on this scenario here. You're going to answer these questions in a quiz. So just click on here and it just gives you option, right? So what's the blood type that is found at the crime scene? You should make your way through there. Then tell me how you went about figuring this out. Submit at least one of the Punnett squares here, so I know that you know how to do a Punnett square. And then the Who is the Daddy, that goes with the movie above, the Super Zeros movie in the demonstration section. And this is a true story. So this actually happened to me. A friend of mine almost got married to a woman. And yeah, so let's see if you could help him out. I did. And that's it for this week.